Hello everyone, Skywing Gaming here. If you like Injustice, look at the bottom right of your screen. Yep, 10 million coins. Now let's see how much that is worth. Okay, that is 3 million. That is about 650 bucks. Or 675 bucks. And then all of the others I've saved up. So here's what I have right now. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the store. Now, I'm going to start off, we're going to go from least expensive to most expensive. Start off with the gold booster pack. See what I get. Something little. Okay. Challenge booster. Actually, I'll do like 4 more of these. Arrow, green arrow. That's not bad. Oh! Dang. He's worth a lot. Okay. Okay. So let's go on to the challenge booster packs. I'm going to try and open 5 of most of these. No, I'm not opening the bronze or silver booster packs. Ooh, that's not bad. But it's not good. Okay, last one of these. And I got Red Sun Batman. Okay, so I might as well. I mean, but yeah, that gives me 20 challenge credits. And there's this. I actually would like this. Awful. Let's open a Gotham City pack. You get these 3 characters. Not bad. Also, again, not good. So next is the Bleed Out pack. These are good. These. Not yet. Let's open this most wanted pack. I'm gonna open like 3 or 4 of these because these can have actual different characters. As you can, there's another Shazam. Those things are so expensive. Okay, last one of these. Okay. Let's open a few more of these most wanted packs. There's another Shazam. I got the Killing Joke Joker with that one. I think that's about 5 Shazams. Now, this is interesting. The Killing Joke Joker, it says it gives you 18 coins, but look, that is so helpful. If you can see, I have 150. How much is it to promote that dude?
Lobo.
I can promote you, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I can promote you twice. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because some of these...
The Flash. The Joker. Wonder Woman.
Gosh, I want to max elite everything, but it's so hard. Okay, so there's Arkham Bane. I don't know how to get him. I don't know how I got him. Can't remember.
Batman.
I know how to get him. He's just in boost packs.
Darkseid.
I've already gotten this guy up to... He's a new challenge character.
Harley Quinn.
You used to be
Harley
able to get
Quinn.
her and those two in packs. Used to be a pack.
Lobo.
And there's of course this guy.
The Joker.
Don't know how to get him. So I don't know how to get
Wonder
you.
Woman.
I'm on my way. But I'll show you how expensive she is.
Green Arrow.
Buy. Okay. So Shazam is 118,000 each. That's expensive. I'm gonna try to open a few challenge booster packs, get the rest of those up. Try and get the rest of them up to... Oh, there's the 600 Wonder Woman I needed. Hey.
Wonder Woman.
Boom. Max Elite. 7. Yeah, actually. Okay, back to the store. Okay, I'm not opening one of these. Okay, and then I'm gonna go get a most wanted pack. Oh, I should have done this. No, too bad. Too late. Shazam. Okay. Rest of these packs are gonna be some challenge booster packs. Challenge. I don't know what I'm doing because I have almost every single character you can get in packs. Almost. I don't have all of them yet, but almost. Okay, almost there. Okay, last pack. But if you look at the bottom right, all of those packs, all those coins, gone. Let's go
Zod.
sell what we got.
Zod. Zod. Wonder Woman. The Joker. The Joker. The Joker.
Oh my gosh.
The Flash.
To see if anything had a promotion. Okay, it doesn't.
Aquaman. Aquaman. Bane.
I'm not gonna do any more openings.
Batgirl.
I'm just gonna save
Batman.
save the rest of my coins for another time.
Batman. Batman.
Dang.
Batman. Batman.
I think Batman's are worth so much.
Batman. Catwoman.
Not Batman.
Cyborg.
Though.
Deathstroke. Doomsday.
So
Green
far
Arrow.
we've got a little
Green
over
Lantern.
tenths of our coins.
Green
back.
Lantern. Green Lantern. Green Lantern.
Probably gonna have
Harley
more
Quinn.
than
Harley
that
Quinn.
after this.
Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn.
Harley Quinn.
Hawkgirl.
Harley Quinn. Hawkgirl.
Martian Manhunter.
Hawkgirl.
Martian Manhunter. Raven. Raven. The Flash.
This still is
Flash.
expensive.
Scorpion. 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 Shazam. 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 Sinestro. Superman. Superman. Superman.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, these codes. I didn't know I could promote these one by one. I mean her. Jeez. So I'm gonna do that.
Harley Quinn.
Harley Quinn. This one's for Mr. J. When the enemy tags in, Harley may perform a surprise attack. If she's tagged out, the Joker is knocked out. On Harley's team, she gains full power. Oh my gosh. Now let's show all these. Okay, so I'm going to end it here. See you all in the next video.